Hi guys, today we'll write a program to find the given number is odd or even in Java program in BlueJ environment. Okay, let us start creating the Java program in BlueJ environment. For that, this is the BlueJ screen. The first, create the project. Give the project name. New project. Give the project name as demo 1 project. Demo 1. The project name is demo 1. Click OK. Demo 1 is the project here. It's created. Now we first Java as is a object oriented programming language. It will make use of the classes and objects. So first we need to create the class. Where will new class? Create the new class. Click on that. Give the appropriate class name. Even or odd. Odd. Click OK. So it's a even or odd class is been created. Right click, open editor. So this is the inbuilt some of the documents. So if you want, like how we are going to use, okay, like how we are going to, where the public class is present, where actually the declaration should be takes place, where the construction should be defined, where the method should be defined. So that will be provided in this documentation. If you want, you can make use of it, or else select Ctrl A and delete it. Now start writing a program to find the entered number is even or odd. Start with like a comment. Program to find entered number is even or odd. This is the comment section. The comments are ignored by the compiler during the compilation. So as it is a single line statement, we can make use of the double forward slash. If your comment is having the more than one line, then it should make use of the forward slash with the asterisk mark, then the and it should end with the asterisk mark with the forward slash. Okay, now start. Import java.util.star. Next, class even or odd. Even or odd. Then public static void main. Execution will be start from the main function. String, we need to pass the arguments. Args next, define the number int n. Next, scanner sc is equal to new scanner. The scanner class is used to accept the input from the user. In detail, we are going to study the scanner class in the subsequent videos. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner. We need to pass the constructors argument to the constructor. System.in. Next, system.out.println enter number. Next, n is equal to in dot, next int, its method. Next int is a method, means whatever the data that we are going to enter is integer type of the method. Next, here not in, parameter is sc. Here the creating the object which of the scanner class is sc, so that should be passed over here. Next, what we are going to do is, if n mod 2, if the number is divided by the 0, if the number is, the modulus of the number is equal to the 0, the entered number is even. Even number plus n, else odd number. Okay, so import java.util.star. So all the related activities like a scanner class and the mathematical operations, everything will be present in this package. And we are going to create the class. The name of the class is even or odd. Then the public static void main, where the execution will be start from this main method, and that we are going to define the one variable, the name called as n, it's the type of integer data type, and we are going to, as we want to accept the input from the user, we will make use of the scanner class. Then the like prompting the enter the number from the user. Next one, we are going to check the modulus of that number, that is with the by 2 is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then it is the even number. If it is not equal to 0, then it is considered as the odd number. Then compile here. Compile. Click on compile. If class is been compiled with no syntax error. So if anything is there, any syntax error is there, it will give that error message. If something semicolon is missing, if the proper indentation is not done, not indentation, if the proper closing of the flower braces is not done, any of the misspelled data is there, like it is a capital, as it is a case sensitive, if it is the capital letter, you should provide the capital letters. If it is a small letter, you should provide the small letter. You should make use of the proper casing, also important over here. Then okay, if there is no syntax error, then close it. Then run your application. Right click on the class, that is even and even or odd. Void main, click on here. The execution will be start from the main method. Click OK. Enter number. So 6 is even number. Check for the another number. Enter number 5. 5 is odd number. So this is the output. We are going to enter a number 5. 5 mod 2 is, the remainder will be 1. So it is odd number. If it is 0, it is even number. So this is about the finding the even or odd number in Java program. Thank you. Kindly subscribe and like our channel for further more videos. Thank you.